Welcome everyone. Today we're drawing a cute cartoon ornament. Let's begin today's lesson by drawing a large circle in the center of a page. We're going to start at the very top in the middle and just work our way around. And then in the center, draw two small circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around, and then back up. Let's leave a gap and draw the same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height. On the top left side of each eye, we draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And then along the bottom right side, add a smaller circle. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now let's move in between the eyes and draw a straight line going across the top of the mouth. Now close off the bottom with a half oval. Add a straight line across the top of the teeth, and then a curve across the bottom for the tongue. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now I'm going to add a highlight on the top left side of the head. So we're going to take this curve, step in, just trace that, going up, angles down and then in, and then add another curve. Let's draw two lines across the top on the left and right side, and then we'll flatten this off. Let's add a circle across the top, starting from the middle, going all the way around. And I'll draw a smaller circle in the center. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a Christmas ornament. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.